Over the past few weeks, I spoke a lot about the importance of always starting with the finish line. When you start your day, you should know exactly where you want to be, what you want to accomplish by the end of the day, so you can start the day on the right path and focus on what you want the finish line by the end of the day to be. And you shouldn't have to look back by the end of the day, "Oy, if I would have known, oy, I wanted to accomplish this and that and the other and I didn't accomplish anything." When you start the new year, you should know exactly where you want to be by the end of the year in order for you to be happy with your progress. And that's going to help you be able to start the year right off the bat with a strong focus on the finish line and slowly get to the finish line. When you start your month, you start your week, you should always know what you want the end result should be, so you can focus on that. Any meeting you go in, any goal you have, you want to have financial freedom, you should know exactly how that looks, so you can come back to today and see what do you need to do today in order to be able to accomplish what my end result should be. I have heard from a lot of people asking me, "Chaim, do you have any way, any strategy, any idea that can help us focus in the beginning of the day, that we should be able to focus on the end result and not get distracted?" You know, let's be honest with ourselves. We have so much distraction nowadays. Emails, social media, text messages, phone calls. Everybody wants to grab our attention. And if we are not very intentional about our time, if we are not putting guards around us to protect robbers from robbing away our time, there's no way in the world you're going to be able to accomplish what you really want to accomplish for the finish line. I am happy to tell you that I listened to what you asked, and I'm announcing today that starting tomorrow, you're going to get every weekday an email, a message, a social media post, wherever you want to get it, that we're going to be calling Morning Coffee with Chaim. Think about it this way. It's like having a coffee together with me. It's like me sitting down with you every morning, giving you a motivational quote, giving you some good advice, and most of the things that you know yourself. It's just a reminder. Please remember what your goals are. Please remember, don't give up. Please remember, focus on the finish line. Please remember, in a few hours, the day is going to be over and you're going to look back. What did I accomplish today? And this is going to give you such strong focus and such strong motivation to know in the beginning of the day, in the morning, exactly where you want to go. And it's going to keep reminding you about the finish line. It's going to keep reminding you not to get off focus and know exactly what are the most important things for you to accomplish today. I really hope you're going to enjoy it. And I'm really looking forward to being with you on this exciting, amazing journey of life to accomplish what you really want to accomplish by the finish line, which is ultimately when we finish our lives. And it's one day at a time, 1 year at a time, 1 month at a time, and together we'll be able, with God's help, to get there. If you have any comments, if you feel there's anything we should add to this program, I would love to hear from you by replying to our social media posts, by sending me emails or text messages or any form of communication. I'm looking forward to seeing you at your finish line.